Hello everybody. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to buy products using Shop app. So firstly, you need to open your Shop app. On the address bar, you need to type down shop.app and you'll get into this interface. And next is you need to browse or search for product. You can simply go to this here to search any product, or you can also browse it over here. As I'm going to select one of the product here by simply clicking on it. And after that, you need to select again. So after that, once you open the product, you'll get onto this interface of information. So over here, you'll get details including photos, price, available sizes or color, shipping information, and customer reviews if available. You can simply select your size and the color that you prefer, and you can add to cart over here. And next is you need to proceed to checkout. Over here in the left hand side, this is your card. Simply click onto this card here and simply select to this continue to checkout. And you need to review the item in your cart. And after that, you need to enter your shipping and payment information. And after that, click onto this continue. And over here, you need to enter the code sent to your email. And after that, you need to follow the on-screen instruction, place your order, review your order details, including the total cost, shipping method, and tap place order. And after your order is confirmed, you can also track your order. And that is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful.